Hi there, students.
Hi, students.
Close but no cigar.
This idiom is an Americanism.
And it actually comes from the past in the States, and they used to give cigars in fairs as prizes.
Yeah, so if you're shooting at a target and you hit the centre of the target, your prize would be a cigar. We use this phrase, close but no cigar, to mean you almost got it right, but you didn't get it exactly right. Yeah? So could you give me an example of close but no cigar?
Of course. So, I studied so hard for my statistics exam. I gave all my best, I did all I could, and I finally didn't pass. I was nearly there.
So you came close but no cigar.
No cigar. So, Alex, what's 3 times 7?
20.
Close but no cigar.
So what's the right answer?
21?
Yes, exactly. So 20 instead of 21. It's close to the no cigar, but you don't win the prize. Yeah? This is like saying almost doesn't count. Yeah? Nearly is only valid for, what do they say, for horseshoes and hand grenades. That's another video that I've got out there. Okay. Let's try another example. You know this election they've had for the new Prime Minister? Well, Jeremy Hunt came second. So he came close, but he didn't get a cigar. Close but no cigar, Jeremy. Do you know who won Wimbledon this year?
I have no idea. Federer? What was that?
Well, Federer is actually quite good, because Federer came close but no cigar. He came second in the final.
Okay.
Yeah, Djokovic actually won it, but
Okay.
Federer came close but no cigar. So this is a way of saying almost, nearly, but it's not valid. Yeah, it's not the right answer. It's not don't get what you are trying to get. So you almost got it, but you failed. Yeah. Yeah, a cigar, like a big cigarette. So I think that's about it, isn't it? Yeah?
Yeah.
So one thing we didn't do, what about the formality?
It's kind of informal, isn't it?
Yeah, this is an informal phrase.
Yeah.
I would use it in an informal conversation.
Yeah, me too.
But I
It
think,
has to do with fun fairs, so.
yeah, I think in a formal document you would say nearly succeeded, nearly achieved, something like that. Okay? So, anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video,
Give it a rating,
subscribe to my channel.
and we'll see you soon.
Bye for now. Close but no cigar.